Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here and welcome to the start of August. This morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports as we have another pretty full calendar this week, and which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget to stop by TipRanks TV to catch the latest episode of Analyze This, where I have the opportunity to chat with 5-star analyst Mark Palmer on the digital asset world, including cryptocurrencies. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. We are starting August off with U.S. stock futures slightly in the red. Currently, Dow futures are down 0.03%, S&P 500 futures down 0.16%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.14%. We've heard vehicle delivery reports from the three major Chinese electric vehicle makers, NIO, XPeng, and Li Auto, though the results do show some evidence of seasonal patterns. NIO reported just over 10,000 deliveries in July, rising over 26% year over year. XPeng delivered over 11,500 vehicles in July, up 43% year over year. And for July, Li Auto delivered 10,422 units, up over 21% year over year. Ford has revealed their Tremor off-road package for their compact pickup truck, the Maverick. The Tremor off-road package will include things such as rear differential lock, trail control, as well as improved shocks. Ford's brand manager said that the Ranger F-150 and Super Duty customers have embraced the unique off-road capability, technology, and appearance updates found across our Tremor family of trucks. Maverick Tremor delivers on the same promise with new functions and features designed for off-roading, all while keeping the truck's signature size and affordability. Analysts currently rate the Ford stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 12%. Last week, Alibaba reported that they were applying to be listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. The stock fell on Friday over concerns of them being delisted here in the US, but there are reassuring investors saying they will strive to maintain a dual listing on both exchanges. Regulatory pressures have been weighing on Alibaba and other Chinese companies as the SEC cracks down. In a statement on Monday, Alibaba said that they will continue to monitor market developments, comply with applicable laws and regulations, and strive to maintain its listing status on both the New York Stock Exchange and the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Analysts currently rate the Alibaba stock a strong buy with an average upside of 72%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. While things are fairly quiet in the pre-market so far, we are heading into a fairly busy week for earnings. In the after hours today, we'll be hearing from companies like Activision Blizzard, and the week contains some big names, including Uber, SoFi, Starbucks, Coca-Cola, Lucid Motors, Moderna, Block, Fiverr, DoorDash, DraftKings, and more. In the pre-market this morning, we have heard from Builders First Source. They doubled expectations on their earnings per share. The company reported Q2 earnings of $6.26 per share. The consensus estimates was just $3 per share. That was on revenue of $6.9 billion, beating the expected $5.6 billion expected. Their revenue grew over 24% on a year-over-year basis. Analysts rate the stock a unanimous strong buy with an average upside of over 24%. Reporting right in line with analyst expectations was Global Payments. They reported earnings of $2.36 per share, 1 cent ahead of the expectations, and revenue of $2.3 billion, beating the expectations of $2.1 billion. Their revenue grew 6.7% on a year-over-year basis. Analysts rate their stock a strong buy with an average upside of 36%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Pearson, following their latest earnings report. Under the ticker PSO, the stock is up about 10.5%. They're followed by Spring Valley Acquisition under the ticker SMR, up nearly 9%, and HSBC Holdings under the ticker HSBC, up 7.6%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Beam Therapeutics after they announced an FDA clinical hold on one of their applications. Trading under the ticker BEAM, the stock is down about 11%. They're followed by Aerojet Rocketdyne Holdings under the ticker AJRD, down 8.45%, and Pagaya Technologies under the ticker PGY, down 5.3%. So that is going to be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. Don't forget to stop by our TikTok under the username TipRanks and check out some of our content there as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.